This video, I'm going to show you how to get a promo code for Emirates Airlines. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight to the video. Alright, I'm going to open up Google Chrome on my mobile device. And now I'm going to head on over to Google. And now inside Google, I'm going to type in promo code for Emirates Airlines. And now a whole list of results will appear. You got Flight Hacks, 10% off. Ellie, 10% off. Coupon Nation, Worth a Penny, Coupon Follow, etc. So the one I like to use for Emirates Airlines is emirates.worthapenny. So I'm going to click into that. And now, as you can see here, today's best offer, 50% off your flight bookings at Emirates. 107 people used, with a 91% success rate. So now I'm going to click into that code to get this code. And now what I want to do is copy this code here. And at the checkout section of Emirates Airlines, look for a spot where it says enter promo or coupon code. Paste in that code, and then that will activate your 50% off your flight booking at Emirates.